Alright, time to make some ramen. And then for my fork.
Ooh, smells good. What do we have here?
Oh, I guess here's a fork for you. Alright, I need some utensils for me. What? How can all the forks be sold out? What am I gonna do? I gotta eat these noodles. Okay, let's try this school. Yes! Look at all those forks! Fantastic! Oh my gosh! Where did all these kids come from? No! They're taking all the forks! Ugh, I just want to eat my ramen. Wait, of course! How could I forget? Time to solve my utensil problems. I'll just start drawing this pattern, just like this. Yep, it's going great. Done! I'm a genius! I made a fork with my 3D pen. They're just as good as I'd hoped. Wow, this is boring. I'm bored. Oh my gosh, here he comes! I can't believe it! Ah, you're late again. Well, take your seat. He's gonna sit next to me. I hope I look okay.
What's this? A chef hat? Hey, babe. How's it going?
Oh, good. You want some ice cream?
I don't eat junk food.
Wow, he's so amazing! What? Oh no! I spilled all over my shirt! This is a huge disaster! If he sees the stain, the wedding will for sure be off! He'll run away from me for sure! And he's an athlete, so he'll be really fast! The stain will ruin everything! I won't be able to catch him! My dream will be over! No! Oh my gosh! I can't let that happen to me! There's gotta be something in here that can help. My 3D pen? Yeah, I think this could work. Okay, I'll start by drawing a triangle, and then I'll go back and forth to fill it in. All the way down to the tip. Good. And now I'll make some diagonal lines. And then the other way too. Crisscrossing. That looks good. Now to change to pink. And now to get filling in the circle I drew. Back and forth, back and forth. This is a pretty color. There we go. Okay, I'll add a squiggle line at the bottom here. And I'll need to switch colors again, so I can add this swirly line on the ice cream. And then back to filling it in. It's starting to come together. Looks like chocolate. Nice! Looks good enough to eat, but let's add some sprinkles. Just a few more and done! Wow, this turned out great! And now I'll just put this over the skein on my shirt. I wonder what he'll think of it.
Oh, look at her. I thought she was cute before. How you doing? That's a cool ice cream cone you've got there.
What? What is all of this? I don't understand any of it. Ugh, keep your eyes off my paper! What am I gonna do now?
Now let's see. Who should I call on? Stop trying to hide behind your book. Come up here.
What? No fair! I want to be picked!
Alright, I've written the chemical on the board. You need to make it. You can start with this. Now come on, this is a lab. Get to work. Oh, I have a call. But keep working. I want to see results.
I can't believe he expects me to do this. Hey! Psst. Take that beaker! What? No! Not that one! The other one! Do you mean this red one? Ugh, you're worthless. That one! Wait, this little one? Great! Okay, I've got it! This is gonna be great. I guess I'm supposed to mix these together. Ah! What was that? An explosion? She totally fell for it! What? Oh no! I burned a hole right through his desk! He's totally gonna notice this. I'll be in so much trouble! Ugh, you're the worst! What am I gonna do? I don't want to be expelled. Wait, my 3D pen! Okay, I can totally fix this. Good thing I happen to have a matching color. I'll start by making some long strings across the hole. Now I can start going the opposite direction. If I can just finish this before teacher gets back. Maybe he won't even notice the hole. Almost done. Just a few more lines. Okay, done! I've covered the hole. I'll set the beaker right over it. Just need to really sell this disguise.
Oh, you're still here? Well, good job. Take a seat.
Phew! Yes! I completed the last day of my diet. Get out of here, celery! It's time for something with more flavor. Ha! This is gonna be great! Here I go! I'll just pour all of this on these noodles. Give me this pepperoni. So good! Hot dogs too! And now the noodles. I love it! What the heck is she doing? I gotta get evidence of this. I need a close-up. Hey! Stop! Oh my gosh! I'm so sorry! Look what you did to my phone! Here. Take these napkins. I feel bad. Hey! Wait a second! Of course! My 3D pen! I've got an idea! Okay, I've got a blank phone case and my pen. Time to start drawing on it with this yellow color. Squiggles, squiggles everywhere. I don't have to be careful at all. Just gotta fill the space. Just gotta finish this last corner and… done! Adding decorations will make it even better, too. Oh my gosh! So cute! It looks like food! Ta-da! What do you think? Isn't it cute? Because I made it for you! Wow! Thanks so much! I love it! Hey, you want some of these noodles? Your loss. Ugh, doing homework is hard on my neck. Gotta keep going, though. I'm not done yet. I'm so tired, though. Just a quick nap. Let's see. Of course! This all makes sense. These formulas and calculations will help. Of course! How could I forget that theorem? Wow, look at you go, math whiz. I'm impressed. Just a few more calculations? Wait a second. Yes! Eureka! Ah! My homework! My genius! It's soaked and totally ruined! No! Oh my gosh! My homework? Is it wet? Phew. Thank goodness. It was just a dream. Hey, you still finishing your homework? Whoa. What's with the evil eye? You mad at me? Nope. No way. I can't take the risk. I'll solve this problem. I've got my 3D pen. You ready for this? I'll need to turn this mug upside down. And then trace the mouth of the mug with the pen. All the way around. There we go. I can remove the mug. Now I've gotta get to work and start filling the circle. The easiest way to do it is to just go back and forth. But don't worry if your lines get a little wonky. Just keep going. They don't need to be straight lines. There we go. Just the last little bit and done. Ta-da! I've made a cover for the mug. I'm not quite done, though. I need to start adding some more squiggles. And then I'll connect it back up to the cover. And then back to filling this shape, too. And once I'm done with this one, I'll make more around the mug. Each of them will need to be filled, too. Yay! I've done it! I better test it. Excellent! It stays put! A perfect little mug cover. Wow! I can't believe you made that! And look! I can still take a drink! And the lid can just go back on. Now I don't have to worry about ruined homework anymore. No more soaked math. This is such a perfect little pancake! These are gonna be delicious! I don't wanna play hopscotch. Wow! What's that delicious smell? I better go find out. Whoa! You made pancakes! Just for you, because you deserve it. I'm almost done. Just let me flip this last one. Just gotta get my spatula underneath. Come on. Oh my gosh! The handle on the spatula broke! What am I gonna do? Hey! I know! I'll use my 3D pen. Time to start drawing. This is a good spatula shape for sure. Nice! But it's not done yet. Time to start adding more shapes in the middle. There. Now I want to switch colors. I'll fill all this empty space with the orange color. But not those inner ovals I drew. Those I want to leave alone. All the way down to the handle. I'll want to skip filling in this bottom circle too. Maybe this shovel will work. Oh, here she comes. Mom! I made you a new spatula! Now you can finally flip that last pancake. Okay, I'll give it a try. Oh my gosh, it worked so well. Alright! time to finally eat breakfast! Bananas and chocolate syrup! They look so good! Mmm. Would you use a 3D pen to make any of these hacks? Tell us in the comments! And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one!